Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show, and I picked out this beautiful color and just wait and see throughout this video what I do at the end and how I get my manicure, which I absolutely love. I am living for some sparkle right now, so that's what I did. And also we're going to talk out through this whole video like we usually do, and I was thinking that maybe you can leave me in comments what topic would you like me to talk about in the next nail show video. Maybe we can do that just to see your response, do like idea and stuff like that. So absolutely feel free to leave me a comment what topic would you like me to talk about in the next nail show. But basically I'm just applying this nail color, and you will see that first coat gets a little bit weird, like the formula is almost like thin, but it's something between like matte and like finish is not matte, if that makes any sense. You will see definitely throughout the video how it turns out and how it looks. At the end, when you apply the second coat, absolutely evens out everything. I always paint my nails in 2 coats no matter what. No matter if it's like perfect in 1 coat, I like to have 2 coats. I think just looks better overall. I always do 2 coats. I don't know, it's just a weird habit of mine. And I also think that second coat evens everything out. It makes your nail polish look very nice. So that's the reason why I do it. Anyways, what I also decided to do in this video is add a little sparkle. This is actually hollow formula. I think it has a little bit of holographics, which you can't really see here, but it does, and it also has some kind of different effect. What I love about this sparkly nail polish is that it's totally something that I don't own and I don't have in my collection. It's so pretty, but I think if you would paint it on its own, you would definitely need like, I don't know, maybe 3 coats, maybe 4, God knows how many. But if you top it off over some similar color, you will get this beautiful effect, which I absolutely love. It reminds me of blue water, it reminds me of mermaids for some reason, but I think you can definitely see that there is a tiny bit of hollow in it, and I absolutely adore that. I love holographic nail polishes, and I blame it on Christine, Simply Nailogical. Anyways, that's another nail show video, and I'm so thankful that you guys watch it. Let me know what you think in comments. What topic should I talk about in my next nail show video? And thank you guys so much for your time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.